This video, we're gonna go from this to this using this. Okay, so I kind of got rid of the Ford Fusion and now have a Tundra, and I wanted a bed cover for it. I kind of went through several different types and decided on this one, and I picked it mainly because it's inexpensive. It looked pretty durable, had good reviews. Looks pretty sturdy for what it is. This one does not provide for security. However, it will cover my stuff up. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here.
I have you with it.
Maybe. Okay, here's the rails. The foam for the front. Here's the instructions and hardware right here.
There's screwdrivers.
All right.
Can I help you?
Yeah, you're gonna help me, I guess.
Thank you.
Okay. So here we got a bunch of clamps. So here's clamps. Clamps with bolts. And the actual instructions. So as usual, I've never done this before, so we're just going to see what it takes to do it. This, in theory, will slide into my track right here. I have the factory tracks on here.
Okay.
And then lock in. Actually comes with a little cover for it. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to leave this in here for now.
Okay. Now look. I think that's, look, I did it.
Yeah.
Whoa. Be careful.
So I don't see in the instructions where if this is front or rear, if it even matters. I am putting it in the rear for now. Well, I'll kind of test fit everything. Let's see.
I can't slide there. Now look.
Okay, so it looks like, so I'm gonna slide these onto the tracks over there, just like so. Slide them down. Gonna do 3 on each side.
I love you.
I love you too. Yeah.
You up here. It's like
Okay, now we're gonna do the same for the other side. Like so. Put you right there at the end. Line you up with that. Okay.
Great job, Dad.
Thank you, Rose.
You're welcome. You were doing a great job last time. And you were doing a great job last time.
Okay, next we're gonna clean the rail up here.
Oh, there's the bag.
And I see signs there was a cover on here before, which is good. Okay, we got that clean.
Whoa. Smack. We have to put this up. And we both on there now. Yay. Let's see.
I'm gonna center it up. Stick it down right here. Okay, next, I'm going to just kind of put the rail up here. And you can see this piece right here slides into the track right here. And there's a screw back here. Okay, I'm loosening the screw up on the back. Slide that in. There we go. Got that one slid in. Now do it on the other side. All right, so next we're going to slide this piece right here into here and then tighten that screw down. There we go. Got that one in. Okay, next I'm going to put these clamps on loosely and we'll tighten them down later. These right here go into here, like so. Alright. I'll go ahead and slide this one in here. And again, I'll tighten that down more later. So when lining it up, make sure you get the top up over the seal right there, and try to make sure they're equal distance right here. And next I'll go ahead and tighten these down and we'll roll it out and see how good or bad I did. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and tighten them all down a bit, and guess what size it is? You'll never guess. 10 millimeter.
Oh my gosh.
The dreaded 10 millimeter. All right, so let's go ahead and get those on there and tighten them down.
Can you help me?
You want to help me?
Yeah.
You might actually could help me. Okay, that should be good. Okay, here you go. Here you go, Rose. All right, jump down. Okay.
Yeah.
So now then these pieces right here,
I need help.
we can adjust. All right. Oh, it's gonna be a pretty sunset. So these pieces right here we adjust for the lock part. So now I'm gonna unroll it and just see where we're at with this thing. Unbuckle it. Wow.
That's for Panda. It's sitting
That looks nice. Wow, I like that.
Let me see.
You don't see?
Yeah.
Chip on the bumper.
Me too. Me too. Whoa.
What you think? You like it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, there we go.
Me too.
Oh, I got you.
Yay. I think.
You like it?
Yes.
Cool.
Mommy.
So we get a thumbs up from Mommy. Let me go around it here with the camera. Okay. And I went ahead and trimmed these pieces off just so you'll see that. Oh, come on, focus. There you go. Okay, so there we go. I trimmed these pieces off on the front a little bit. And to open it, it does provide some security. You can't just pull it up right here. Okay, it has to be open. Pull these two things right here.
Right.
And then you can just roll it out. Put it in. Unlock it. And now we can get in. And this was not a paid endorsement. This is, I wanted this, I needed that, so I bought it. There we go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.